Welcome to OLevels Economics Unit 5, Microeconomics and Macroeconomics. Economists look at the performance of individual markets, but they also study how the economy as a whole operates, whether at a national level or across the globe. Economics is therefore divided into two branches, microeconomics and macroeconomics. As the name suggests, microeconomics focuses on the small scale, while macroeconomics deals with the large scale. Microeconomics is concerned with the behavior and decisions of households and firms, as well as the functioning of individual markets. For example, it may examine changes in the earnings of a particular occupation or changes in output in a specific industry, such as car production. Macroeconomics, on the other hand, studies the wider economy. It looks at large scale issues such as employment levels in a country or overall changes in national output. While they may appear separate, the two fields are closely linked. Many concepts used in microeconomics are also applied in macroeconomics, but on a broader scale. For instance, you will study the demand for an individual product in microeconomics and the total demand for all goods and services in macroeconomics. Similarly, while the price of a single product may change at the micro level, macroeconomics examines why the overall price level across the economy may rise or fall. Microeconomic decisions and interactions add up to create the macroeconomic picture. This means that changes in the microeconomy influence the macroeconomy and vice versa. For example, a fall in output in the car industry may increase unemployment across the country, while a government decision to cut income taxes may lead to households purchasing more cars. The key decision makers in both microeconomics and macroeconomics are often called economic agents, and these include households, firms, and government. Households act as buyers, savers, and workers. As consumers, they seek low prices and high quality products. As workers, they desire good pay and working conditions. As savers, they want their money to be secure and give a good return. Firms, meanwhile, are businesses that produce goods and services, employing workers and other resources, usually with the aim of making as much profit as possible. Government represents the system that rules a country or region. It produces and provides some goods and services, offers financial support, taxes, and regulates the private sector, and works to strengthen the economy. In summary, microeconomics deals with what happens in individual markets, while macroeconomics looks at what happens in the economy as a whole. The main decision makers or economic agents are households, firms, and government. Together, their decisions shape both microeconomic activity and the broader macroeconomic environment. Thanks for watching.